to get a subscribe button on Snapchat. So if you want to get a subscribe button, then first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application. And the first thing you need to do is you have to make your public profile. Like, you have to create your public profile. To create that, you can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left. And then here, if you scroll down, here you will have an option to create your public profile. So for now, I have already created my public profile. So you can simply tap on that create public profile, and then you can create your public profile. And after creating your public profile, you will have my public profile option. Tap on that, and here you will have your public profile right after creating. And now you can simply go to preview, which is on the right side. And so this is what your profile will be visible to others. So here you will have a add button or a subscribe button. So anyone can simply tap on that subscribe, and they can subscribe to your Snapchat profile. So that's it. You have to simply create your public profile, and after creating your public profile, you will have that subscribe button. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.